Hi, I'm Ashley, and me and my friend Adri
Hello!
decided to do a fundraiser for Japan disaster relief, and we followed the idea of
We believe how you say it is Nigahiga. Don't know what it is, but anyway, we're following your idea.
Thank you so much for your idea.
Yes. If for all of you who don't know the original idea, the idea was that in their original video, they went out in the city of Los Angeles and signs that said, "Mom, if you love Japan,"
okay.
There are signs. And for every hunk they got, they donated $10 to Japan Disaster Relief Fund. We decided to follow his example and do the exact same thing in our home city of Des Moines, Iowa, in the Midwest, wonderful Midwest. Unfortunately, both of us are college students, or more accurately, I will be soon. But so we do not have any money. So we decided to give $1 each. This was our tally up. It equaled out to around
$396.
Yeah, we'll be splitting that between us. We decided to dress out in what's known as cosplay. I am wearing what is the costume of Sakura Haruno from the show Naruto Shippuden. All of you Naruto fans out there, you know, ja. Ashley is wearing part of my outfit for Maka Allbarn from the show Soul Eater. It's a little bit more obscure, but in our opinion, much awesomer than Naruto.
Soul Eater.
Yes, yay, Soul Eater. If you're the guy who created Soul Eater and you're watching this, we love you. And Masashi Kishimoto, we love you too. And TV Tokyo, we love you very much because you did the shows. Anyway, back to the actual video.
You're not 30 or something? We'll recount it. 31. Thank you, I love you. I think we're at 40 now, but I'm gonna redo this and recount it. Thank you, I love you.
Love you all!
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
Go behind you. I think they love Japan. These people. I love you. Love you, people. I see it. Thank you. Thank you. What do I film? Woo! Thank you. We love you. Thank you. We love you, man. Love you. Thank you. Woo! Thank you. Woo! Woo! Thank you. I don't know, does that guy win yet? He's on the phone, so he won't host, but... Woo! 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 Thank you! Woo! Woo! Thank you!
I'm going to hold the sign and videotape while my friend dances. Okay, awesome. Here we go.
Thank you!
I can't really hold it. Oh, Adri. illegal. Okay, that was her dance, and there was a cop right next to her the whole time she was doing it.
Voila, that's our charity effort. It's a load. Peace out.
Love Japan!
日本が愛してるさよなら。
Tell me that it's gonna be okay. Tell me that you'll help me find my way. Tell me you can see the light of dawn is bright.